The future is sustainable, renewable and circular.
What is circular economy and why is it important?
The circular economy is about keeping the resources in the dynamic loops for as long as possible.
Making our economy more circular is an incredibly important part of the entire European Green Deal. It's really one of the tickets to a more sustainable future, where we live in a much better relationship to nature, where we allow the nature to continue to be a source of the things we need to live, of producing food, producing clean water, producing clean air. Then we have to use resources much smarter. We have to reuse them, recycle, bring them back into circulation. That is possible, but it needs an effort to reorganize our entire economy.
So the world needs energy and the future is electric, but we need a solution for what to do with all the batteries at end of life. And behind us here, we have the solution. Hydrovolt is a joint venture between the Swedish battery making company Northvolt and the Norwegian energy and aluminium company Hydro. Together they have built Europe's largest and most efficient electrical car battery recycling plant here at Øra, Fredrikstad. The plant started its activity in 2022 and has a material recycling efficiency degree of over 80%. It will manage to take the entire Norwegian volume and will also be able to pick up stuff from Sweden and other European countries. We will find that the cycle for electrical batteries is closed here in Øra, Fredrikstad, in what is known as one of the largest areas for industrial symbiosis in Norway. We have many examples of companies collaborating closely. We have Kronos Titan, we have Cirkel, Hydrovolt and Batteriretur, Frevar. They work together in what is called an industrial symbiosis. We have a high-pressured gas from Frevar and Kvitebjørn Bioel, which is delivered to close-by companies such as Kronos Titan. We have scrap metal coming from Cirkel all the way down to Stenestål Gjenvinning, which again is being sent to Borg Havn and also up to Kronos Titan.
On the longer term, we foresee a huge impact, not least when it comes to saving resources and using our resources for better purposes. Now we have to stop shipping off the resources to Asian countries where they use a little part of the waste materials for new purposes and skip the rest into waste deposits. In the EU, we are actually able and will be able to use these resources for new purposes. And we are talking about billions of tons and billions of euros saved over the next generation. A recent study has shown that several sectors have an incredible potential here. We are looking into construction with a huge potential for reusing construction parts or recycling construction materials. We are looking into longer lifetime of IT products and after that recycling the waste materials. Sectors like the textile sector, transportation and logistics as some of the more promising. We have seen in some of the Nordic countries that the state has tried to subsidize the repair sector, enabling cheaper repair of many of the products, IT, furniture, and actually thereby motivating people to put their products back in use instead of throwing them on the bin. So lots of possibilities to do better.
Circular economy is one of several measures to reach climate and biodiversity targets and commitments.
I believe that a circular economy will make better lives, but it will only work if we put a very clear message in front of it that resources are there to be used carefully, and resources need to be used several times in order to make a good life on this planet. And I encourage all of you to take a strong position on this and also to help develop the solutions we need to move our economy from our linear path to our circular future.